In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets app. We're going to install Google Sheets as a desktop-style app right from your web browser, so it opens in its own window and is easy to find later. Start on your PC by opening a web browser. Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works best for this. If possible, make sure your browser is up to date so the install option appears exactly as shown. Next, go to the Google Sheets website by typing sheets.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. When the page loads, you're on the official site where the app installation is available. You don't need to sign in yet to complete the install, though you'll sign in when you're ready to use your spreadsheets. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu with Tools and Settings. You'll see several sections here. Now, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser version, this area may simply be labeled Save and Share, or it might show Cast alongside it. When you rest your mouse over it, a side menu opens with extra options for the current site. In that side menu, click Install as App. Some browsers phrase it as Install App or Install this site as an app. It's the same action. You're turning the Google Sheets website into a standalone app on your computer. A small confirmation box appears. Click Install to confirm. The browser quickly packages the site as an app and adds it to your system. In a moment, Google Sheets will open in its own clean window without the usual browser tabs, giving it that app-like feel. From here, you can use Sheets just like you would in the browser. You'll also find the new app among your installed applications, so it's easy to launch later from your Start menu or Applications list. You'll notice a shortcut icon that uses the Sheets logo, making it simple to spot at a glance. The app runs independently of your other tabs, which helps you stay focused on your spreadsheets. If you don't see the install option, double-check that you're on sheets.google.com and try again. Some very old browser versions or private browsing modes hide install features, so switching out of private mode or updating your browser can help. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Google Sheets app using your browser's built-in tools, making it faster to open and simpler to keep separate from other tabs.